Yeah, so what now? What auntie do to you now? Why auntie not behave herself?
Because she doesn't run me down, she run me down, she run me down. And it get to run her back down and it miss slap her open with me big old foot and she got to phone me boot out in her room. And she got to this and she can't new girl and that is going on it. Me stinking bed. Me no bother with her again. Me bother. Me went to concert today. She realized I made me shut up. I made me have to sit down on the road.
All of that auntie do?
And they have me turn on and me bad because the father, are your father bad?
So she bother your peace?
She bother me, this is for God. No bother me because Jesus is can't bother. Why this happen to me? No, me can't agree with it. I mean, no, me fed up.
So you done with her?
Me done. Me not play with her again. Make the father beat her. Make me not get no more breakfast. Me not get no more milk to put in the cornflakes. Make the father do that. Make the choo.
Right, that with her?
Make the father do that here. Me not do no more things for her. Because she too hot,
Yeah.
and she rude and she disobedient. And she not go hear me. When me talk to her again, me not fool on her. Me not. Me just go sit down, hold me seat, and quiet and drink me water, me tea and me water. Everything. She does get on me nerves.
Alright, no bother worry your head, alright? No bother run up your blood pressure, okay?
She does get. Like it.
Alright.